Hello, it's Crypto Lamb here, aka Andy, and today we are taking a look at Ethereum and why we were wrong to be looking at Bitcoin all this time. So Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin for such a long time now. It's just been in a constant state of bull mode. And right now, as you can see, there is a huge wall of buys for people just waiting for it to dip down low enough so that they can soak up some of that glorious long action. The reason for this is there's so much application for Ethereum, not limited to ETH processing more transactions than BTC, ETH2 locking ETH, staking and yielding 5 to 15%, 4% issuance on 1% to ETH2 quartering, not halving, DeFi, NFTs, gaming. Yes, gaming as well. There is gaming platforms available where you can buy and sell assets for the inside of the game for Ethereum. We'll talk a bit about that another time in another video, but my point is that there is so much growth behind Ethereum. Ethereum is the one to watch. Everybody's watching Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to a new all-time high? Is it going to 50K? Is it going to 100K? I don't care. The point is that right now Ethereum is worth $1,315. If you could go back to when Bitcoin was worth the same, would you accumulate more? I bet you the answer is probably going to be an astounding yes. Most of you would probably even remortgage your homes so that you could buy more Ethereum. On the 7th of February, the CME futures are going to be adding Ethereum for trading. That is going to cause mammoth movements within the crypto space. I'm predicting potentially up to $2,500 per ETH. So if you already hold Ethereum and you want to make that Ethereum work for you, then my trading group will indeed be able to help you with that. Join profitsniper.co today for 0.025 BTC. Make sure that you're signing up to bybit.cm and then joining the group. We will help you. We will teach you how you can do your own technical analysis. We will teach you how to appropriately use the indicators that you'll also receive when you join the group as well. So yes, it's true, because of the CME gap, Bitcoin is potentially looking at a bit of a downside right now, which could end up pulling ETH down with it a little bit. However, ETH has been decoupling from Bitcoin for a while now, and it's possible ETH could end up holding its own if Bitcoin does flash crash down to, say, for example, 24,000, which is a prediction that most people are putting out. I really don't think it will pull ETH that far down with it. If anything, I think more people will probably put their Bitcoin into ETH, which will cause ETH to go parabolic. And we are looking at constant bullish signs on ETH. So where are we right now? So a few of you were asking in the comments in the previous video how to draw a parallel channel on the chart. So it's very, very simple. You just go to the top left-hand corner in TradingView, click on the arrow and go to parallel channel. Then click on the lowest point that you can find back here, follow it across to the lowest points there, and then click and drag up. Simple as that. So now you can see the channel that Ethereum is in, a very bullish channel indeed. And the whole point of this is just to kind of highlight, you know, the channel so that you can see it more clearly. That's the point of using these tools. So where is Ethereum now? So Ethereum is currently at $1,297, and it's pretty much holding support right there at 1,299. So it keeps testing that level. However, I do think there will be a reversal, sending us potentially somewhere up here within the next 24 hours, which would take us to about 1440. This is just my opinion, of course. Crypto can do whatever the hell it likes most of the time, and it does. So it's just a guideline. So right now we keep testing that level, and it keeps pumping back up slowly but surely. The very bottom of our channel there, if ETH was to drop now, for example, is around 1,112. So if that was to fail and Ethereum was to drop below that point, then we would indeed be going into more of a bullish kind of attitude. However, with the CME futures adding Ethereum on the 7th of February, my best guess is that people will right now be accumulating as much Ethereum as possible to anticipate the next leg up, which is going to be a mammoth move indeed. I personally believe we're looking at potentially 2,500. But in order for that to happen, we have to break through the top of this channel, which is going to be around 1,600. So by utilizing the channel and looking at logical levels, you can see here that we are still well within a very nice buy zone right here. So if I'm right, you're looking at a potential of 100% trade, 92% to be exact. That is huge. And it could happen very, very, very soon. So there's lots of reasons that Ethereum is being pushed, and there's a lot of reasons why it will go to a new all-time high very, very soon. And I think people are grossly underestimating how powerful Ethereum is going to be. Ethereum is going to go parabolic very, very shortly, and it is going to take everybody by surprise. However, that's the long-term outlook on Ethereum. What is the short-term outlook on Ethereum? The short-term for today is if we break this level downwards of 1310, then we are looking at another level here of 1215. So if we break down right now below this level, then we will see 1215 as our next stop. My opinion on that is that we will pretty much do exactly what we've done here and here. We will basically just bounce around here for a little while before we see a return back upwards. However, if it doesn't and it gets rejected from this point here at 1310, then we could very much see a very nice pump right up to about 1480. So that would be the short term for the next, say, 48 hours, 72 hours worth of trading. So there's some very nice price action coming very, very shortly. So if you use Profit Sniper SNR, which is support and resistance, you can see that there are levels of support down here, which is why we are kind of bouncing on these levels here at 1300. I think personally that will hold, and we'll see a nice upside from that. You can see that there is a level of support, level of resistance up here, where I said 1480 is our goal to break through to see more of a parabolic move. So Profit Sniper SNR is your best bet for gauging the support and resistance levels there, in conjunction with some basic technical analysis. You can also utilize our Profit Sniper group. We have a Profit Sniper free group, which you can join now. The link is in the description below for that. Using Bybit to leverage your position and go long at this stage would probably be a pretty safe bet. Or, of course, you could wait to see if we break that level of support there and head back down to, say, the 1265, 1210 sort of levels and set a buy order here to move on up. So for now, we'll just have to wait and see. Are we going to see a bit of a downside there to the 1200 level, or are we going to continue up, smashing through the ceiling here of 1450 and moving up after that to 1480 before we see an even more parabolic move, smashing through the ceiling here at 1660 and moving up to 2500 dollarinos. This is purely my opinion at this stage. Of course, anything can happen. We may even remain in a state of chop for a little while before anything actually happens. So now you know what the support and resistance levels are and where Ethereum is expected to go. But you can also take a look at the news that's behind Ethereum right now. Like I said, you've got DeFi, you've got staking, you've got gaming, and gaming is rapidly growing on Ethereum as well. And there's some really cool stuff coming out there. So if you want to take full advantage of these moves right now and you want to become a crypto millionaire, then I would suggest you head on over to profitsniper.co now. Buy it for an absolute steal, 0.025 BTC. That price will be going up soon, so take full advantage and grab it for a steal now. We're a well-established group. We have members. We've been established for over a year. We know what we're talking about. We have a technical analysis. We have indicators. We also have other various tools that we can utilize as well, and a fantastic team of people who can help you learn how to trade like a pro. So head on over to profitsniper.co today, fill out the details, and I will see you in our Discord group where we can help you trade like a pro and you can take advantage of some very, very serious moves that are about to happen with Ethereum and others. I hope this video has been helpful for you all. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will speak to you all next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.